Here's some dark web trivia. Subscribe. What is the name of the infamous dark web marketplace for drugs? Is it A, Black Market Hub, B, Silk Road, C, Deep Web Bazaar, or D, Phantom Exchange? The correct answer is B, Silk Road. Which cryptocurrency is primarily used on the dark web? Is it A, Ethereum, B, Litecoin, C, Dogecoin, or D, Bitcoin? The correct answer is D, Bitcoin. Who was the creator of Silk Road? Is it A, Timothy C. May, B, Steve Jobs, C, Dread Pirate Roberts, or D, Ross Ulbricht? The correct answer is D, Ross Ulbricht. What type of network is the dark web part of? Is it A, surface web, B, deep web, C, public internet, or D, open web? The correct answer is B, deep web. Which organization warns about dark web threats? Is it A, FBI, B, CIA, C, NIST, or D, NSA? The correct answer is A, FBI. What is the primary purpose of Tor? Is it A, surveillance, B, content filtering, C, speed enhancement, or D, anonymity? The correct answer is D, anonymity. Which dark web forum is known for hacking services? Is it A, Raid Forums, B, Alphabay, C, Silk Road, or D, Dream Market? The correct answer is A, Raid Forums. What was the fate of Silk Road's founder? Is it A, released after trial, B, executed by hanging, C, life imprisonment, or D, became a senator? The correct answer is C, life imprisonment. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.